Touareg reached out to us and said, hey, let's try one of these, see if it's going to be a viable solution for our company. And with some feedback from Touareg and other customers, we've developed the Haku into what it is today. That has been a neat working relationship with Touareg, and to be able to continue to improve the product, and it's exciting to see that on their builds. My name is Matt Nelson, and I'm the owner of Dragonfly Tarps, and we've been in business for 8 years, and we've been building tarp awning offering for the vans for about 4 years now. Dragonfly Tarps is made in Arco, Idaho, which is located in southeast Idaho. We're next to Craters of the Moon National Monument. What sets Dragonfly Tarps out with the other awnings is that one, you can customize the colors and the shape to whatever you'd like. And the other part is we build our awning to not rely on mechanics or skeleton. It's all tension based. So as you set the tarp up and anchor it with the stakes, everything's on tension, and that creates the structure. So in a catastrophic failure, there's nothing to break per se. Our awnings are constructed out of a 300 denier polyester ripstop with a urethane coating on it. So they are waterproof. The other thing that's nice is the Dragonfly Tarps, the whole package is 15 pounds. Some of the other awning offerings are significantly heavier. So the whole awning comes off of the van and goes into a stuff sack and is stored in the van. And so the only thing that's on the van itself is a small extruded aluminum track that's adhered to the vehicle. So it's not catching on trees, it's not getting destroyed by the weather. We don't use any cord or knots. Everything's on a 1-inch webbing with a cam buckle, so that you can just pull it tight and it's done as far as cinching things up. We incorporate a heavy-duty bungee at each end to allow the tarp to flex in the wind and be more wind resistant than a lot of the awning options out there. I'm excited to see Touareg grow. I know that when we first met up, they were just getting started. They weren't very big, and I think now you guys are rocking and rolling it, and it's exciting to see that development and that growth. And Dragonfly started here, and we'll continue to move forward here. We enjoy the aspect of being built in the United States and bring manufacturing jobs into Idaho.